Hello dear students, class 7th, 12th topic conjunctions. Children, before starting the topic we must know what conjunctions are. Conjunctions होते हैं joining words जो दो sentences को join करते हैं और उसे एक बनाते हैं। और कुछ conjunctions होते हैं and, or, but, because, so, though, although। ठीक है, तो इन conjunctions को कैसे यूज़ करते हैं वो हमें देखना पड़ता है sentence के ऊपर। ठीक है, ये आप अच्छे से रीड कर लीजिएगा बिकॉज दीज आर वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट। कोऑर्डिनेटिंग कंजंक्शंस, सब कोऑर्डिनेटिंग कंजंक्शंस। ठीक है, इसका काइंड आपको करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है बट यू मस्ट रीड देम ऑन व्हाट पर्पस, कंडीशन, कॉज, इफेक्ट, मैनर, कंपैरिजन, कंसेशन, विच कंजंक्शंस आर यूज। मैं आपको सीधी एक्सरसाइज कराऊंगी इस वीडियो में। अंडरलाइन द कंजंक्शंस इन दिस न्यूज़पेपर रिपोर्ट। Grisha educators along with the organizations called Save Mankind sponsored a marathon as the marathon's main goal was to highlight the role of the youth in protecting our planet। ठीक है, इसमें इसके बाद 12th August but इसके बाद नेक्स्ट लाइन पे आएंगे हम। स्कूल एंड ब्राइट हाई स्कूल गैदर्ड एट द पब्लिक ग्राउंड टू पार्टिसिपेट इन द मैराथन। आगे चलेंगे। बिफोर द इवेंट बिगेन, Chatterjee and the famous environmentalist, although Kirti, Shalini and Ajoy, while Kirti, Jyoti and Malhar, while Deepak got the second because none of their participants after the marathon were not only but also. These are some conjunctions here। अब बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग सी एक्टिविटी है। रीज़न बताने के लिए जो कंजंक्शन यूज़ होती हैं होती है सिंस और बिकॉज। सिमिलरिटी दिखाने के लिए एंड और अलॉन्ग विद होती हैं। कंट्रास्ट यानी कि अपोजिट दिखाने के लिए बट और ऑल्दो होती है। बिफोर शो सीक्वेंस टाइम बिफोर और आफ्टर होती है। अंडरलाइन द कंजंक्शंस। Although my grandfather is old, he is healthy and fit. After tea, he likes to play a game of tennis with my father. He enjoys watching cricket matches on television and sometimes volunteers for a bat for us since he is almost 90 years old. Most of his friends are also well over 80. Some of them are quite active while others are weak and frail. However, they meet over tea once a month. They take turns at inviting the others over their homes and sometimes they meet in the park. When grandfather had the get together at our home, we decide to make it a memorable evening for him and his friends. Mother laid out sumptuous tea while I organized some games for them. Furthermore, the soft background music sounded very soothing. We also wrapped a gift for each of them. The gift, wrapped in silver paper and blue ribbons, was inexpensive but of great value. The box contained a pretty picture frame with a picture of the whole group of friends. I had secretly taken that picture during their previous get together. Got it? चलिए आइए मैच करेंगे। अब कंजंक्शन एंड और बट बिकॉज से भी ज्वाइन करना है। प्रीति has brought the candles but she has forgotten to brought the cake but forget to bring the candles. You can go sightseeing and you can go and watch the light and sound show. The weather was bad but the explorers could not postpone their expedition. Fourth, Anita decided to stay at home and fourth है and she wanted to finish her project. Fifth है the guide will accompany us and will show us all the museum. Sixth है we can take the train to Mumbai. You can take the train to Mumbai or you can travel by bus. My family and I are moving back to Kochi but I will never forget the good times I have had in the Guwahati. We can use our savings to buy a car or we can continue using public transport. Our cricket team has lost 3 matches in a row, but we have not given up the hope. 10. The ship is carrying aid for the refugees and it is also carrying volunteer to help their rehabilitations. ठीक है, इसको दोबारा लिखना है। आप सेंटेंसेस को आप ज्वाइन करके लिख दीजिएगा। चलिए डी एक्सरसाइज पे आते हैं। राइट द सेंटेंसेस एज सिंगल सेंटेंस यूजिंग कंजंक्शन फ्रॉम द बॉक्स। द जर्नी टुक 4 hours दो वी टुक द हाईवे। वी वर लॉस्ट बिकॉज, नेक्स्ट वर्ड को कैपिटल कर देंगे, वी टुक अ रॉन्ग टर्न। We also had trouble finding our way as the directions we were given were inaccurate. We arrived on time although we got lost on the way. We are very hungry though we had a snack on the way. I heard the news on television while I was cooking dinner. Munir confessed to breaking the window despite knocking he would. ठीक है, यहाँ से कर देना। I won't go to home until I will finish my work. Since the problem is solved, we need to not to worry anymore. Although it has been raining heavily, comma के बाद next letter capital आएगा। The players continued to play. 11th, Minnie completed her work quickly so that she can watch the match on television. When the children came home, next letter small रहेगा, they discovered. There was a story this morning in the paper that amazed me. There was a young boy in the shop who helped me carry my shopping bag. There are many flowers blooming in the garden because it is spring. ठीक है, because के बाद it is spring आ जाएगा। इसके बाद ये जो more for practice है, मैं आपको अभी ये देखिए, ये है जो आपके मोर फॉर प्रैक्टिस दी है। दिस इज़ अ बुक अबाउट इंडिया एंड इन हिस्ट्री रीटोल्ड through short stories set in different historical periods. The book has 8 chapters and each of them begin with an exciting short story. They tell the history of important period beginning from the Mohenjo-daro till the attainment of independence. The book is full of interesting facts, not only kings and their betters but also about common people. So read tales of grandeur of the Cholas and the Mughals, as well as how they used to live, their houses, clothes and food and festival. Let's discover the delightful stories hidden in India's history in this magical mixture of both fact and fiction. फाइन, तो ये थी बुक एक्सरसाइजेस कंजंक्शंस की। चिल्ड्रन अपने दोस्तों के साथ भी शेयर कर देंगे और मैम को थैंक यू कहना है तो बस थम्स अप कर दीजिएगा। बाय बाय।